Let me take you through a step-by-step installation process of our Zoho to Xero plugin. Go to the settings section. Visit your Zoho marketplace. On the search bar, write down the word Xero. You will find the plugin called Zoho CRM to Xero. Click on it. Install the trial version if you haven't purchased it yet. But if you already have installed the plugin, you can skip rest of the installation process. Click on the Continue button. Check both options and click Continue to install. Choose Install for all user option, then click Confirm. Wait few moments for the installation to be finished. As soon as you are done, you will receive an email with all the details instruction manual and login information for your Zoho to Xero plugin portal. Now, you are just one step away for your CRM to be ready for the next setup process. Go to the Customization, Module and Field section. From the Product module, you have to add your tax details on your tax field and add two new fields, Invoice Number and Purchase Order Number on your Invoice and Purchase Order module. Let's start adding your tax information. Go to the Product module, Standard Layout. You will find Tax field on the Price Information section. Customize your tax rate based on your organization rules. Save it. Now go back to your module list. Go to the Invoice, Standard Layout. Drag a auto number field from the left side panel and drop it above the invoice number. Apply the same naming convention I am using. Save it and delete your existing invoice field. Save and close. Repeat the same process for the purchase order number. Go to the Purchase Order module, Standard Layout. Drag and drop auto number field. Please follow the exact same naming convention I'm using. Save it and delete your PO number field. Save and close. Now, if you are using branding theme and tracking categories on your Xero account, you have to add two more fields on your Invoice module. Let's add them. Go to your Invoice module, Standard Layout. Drag and drop a pick list from the left side panel and drop it to the Invoice Information section. Name the field as a branding theme. List all your available themes on your Xero account. You will find it under your Xero account name, Settings, Invoice Settings. Here you can see two branding themes available. Take both of them and add them on your pick list. Great, you are done with the branding theme. Now let's work with the tracking list. Same way, take a pick list, drag it and drop it on the invoice information section. Check the name that you used on your Xero account. Go to your account, Advanced, Tracking Categories. Here we have used the name of the tracking category is Tracking Category. Take it, copy it and use it on your pick list. Exact same way, copy all the categories you have and paste it as a list on your pick list. Save it. Great, you are done with both branding theme and tracking category. Save and close it. Your CRM setting is ready. Let's take you to your Zoho to Xero plugin portal. I am sure you already have received an email. Inside that email, you will find your login credential for your plugin portal. Let's log into your portal using your credential information. Visit your portal first. Copy the email and password and sign into your portal account. Settings, web service settings. You need two separate apps to get the key and secret. You will be using two separate URL to create those apps. Please check the description below for URL details and make sure you open your Xero CRM and portal account on the same browser. First, let's create the app for Xero. Go to the URL app.xero.com. Connect to your Xero. Allow access. Go to My App. New App. Go to the URL accounts.zoho.com developer console. Get started. Click the server-based application. Now, give the application name exactly as you given on your Xero account. You will get all the URL details on the description below. Click the Create button. Great! You have created the app for your Zoho CRM successfully. Now you have got your client ID and client secret. We're gonna use it on our portal. Take the Xero ID, copy it, and use it on a portal client ID section. Same way, take the secret code, copy it, and use it on our client secret section. Time zone should always be UCT. Now use your email Same way, take the client ID, copy it, and paste it on the client ID section. Also do the same for the client secret and use it on the client secret section. Connect to CRM should be always live. Sales discount option will be item based or total based. It will be based on your personal preference. Sales tax option will be the same as you preferred. CRM workflows trigger will be always workflow. Select the time zone, exactly same as your CRM. Log retention can be less than 15 days or more than 15 days based on your choice. Cut-off time will always be last active date on the calendar. Select it and save your settings. Now you have to connect your Xero and Zoho CRM account with the app you created. Let's connect it. Click on the Connect to Xero button. OK. Allow access. Great, it is connected now. Now connect your CRM. Click on the Connect to CRM button. Press the OK button. Accept it. You are done connecting both apps. Now you have to map your Zoho CRM and Xero data. Just click on the complete default field mapping. It will take a while. Close it. Your field mapping is done, but there is still few fields are mapping needed, which has to be done manually. Go to your field mapping section, invoice, find your tracking category and branding theme. Click on the Fetch CRM Invoices field. Then click on the Xero Invoices field. Now click Create Mapping or Set Default Values. Here, this will enable to map you manually. Enable it. Find your tracking categories. Map it. Same way, the branding theme. Save field mapping. You are done with the field mapping. Now go to the status mapping. Same way, fetch CRM invoices status. Then click on the Fetch Xero Invoices status. Now create mapping. Enable the Creator section. Match it with required field. Do the same for the approved, delivered, then cancelled. Save a status mapping. Do the same for the purchase order. Click on the Fetch CRM purchase order status, then Xero purchase order status, then click on the Create Mapping button. Same way, do the mapping. Save a status mapping. Your next step will be tax mapping. Same way, do the tax mapping. Do the mapping accordingly. Save tax mapping. Now, all you have to do, fetch those records. Fetch each one by one. Now fetch the Xero record. Great! You're almost done. Now you just have to go and sync it. You have both options. you can sync auto or you can sync manually. For the time being, I will gonna show you how you have to sync manually. Check all the button, fetch data from all the module, from Xero account to CRM, enable the option after last synchronization ran. If you want, you can check this on for email notification. Right now, I'll turn it off. Click the Sync Now button and you're done. All your data will be synced. Now, if you check your CRM, you will find all the available data there. Thank you.